Have you been to this hall in Neunkirchen, Saarland? Whether or not this video is for you or not, have you been to this hall in Neunkirchen, Saarland? Whether or not this video is for you. The Neue Gebläsehalle is one of the most striking examples. Neunkirchen has successfully transformed its industrial heritage into a vibrant cultural space. Originally part of the town's historic ironworks, the building once housed powerful machinery used to generate air pressure for blast furnaces, an essential process in steel production. After the decline of heavy industry, the structure was repurposed rather than demolished. Today, the Neue Gebläsehalle stands as a modern event venue while still retaining its raw industrial character. High ceilings, steel frameworks, and the spacious interior give it a unique atmosphere that sets it apart from conventional cultural halls. A wide variety of events, including concerts, exhibitions, trade fairs, and performances. From music shows to cultural festivals, it has become an important hub for artistic and social life in the region of Saarland. Its flexible space allows it to accommodate both large-scale events and more intimate gatherings. What makes the Neue Gebläsehalle especially fascinating is the contrast it represents. Where once machines roared and workers labored, people now gather to enjoy art, music, and community events. This transformation reflects the broader evolution of Neunkirchen from an industrial powerhouse to a town that values culture, creativity, and quality of life. It is more than just an event location, it is a symbol of renewal, showing how history can be preserved while adapting to the needs of the present. So if you have not yet been to the Neue Gebläsehalle, you must go there at least once.